It could be us riding around in a new car. We could be chilling somewhere on a rooftop. We could be all over the world, but we never ever really get that far.
No, we don't.
Cause you always be tripping, baby, baby.
This a long track.
Yes, sir, that's her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the dope fun. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Bump it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. And something about how your ex was a toy. I guess he played games.
It could be us, it could be me and you.